Byrek number 2, pie shape this time, only she said they only had cheese. So it's a bit more like what I was expecting, but I've seen pictures of them more puffy, so I'll just keep trying. Looks like the ferry from Italy is arriving. It's about 20 after 7 in the morning. It looks like there might be another one behind it. I think there's 2 that go over at night and 2 that come back. I think they're different ferry companies. It's Bring Your Horses to the Beach Day. I don't know how clear that is. I've never zoomed that far. Trying to hold it still. It's hard to do at that distance. Ferry from Italy arriving. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I think most of the ferries take about 10 hours or so. Maybe 12. And the third one is coming in. This one seemed to have come in from the north. I know that I'm pretty sure there's a ferry from someplace I think maybe called Anaconda in Italy. It's much farther north. It would be, I think it's like a 24-hour or longer ferry maybe. That could be this. It's a smaller ship or smaller ferry. So I'm guessing it will probably have fewer people coming from that far away, rather than just the simple overnights between Italy and Albania, like Bari and Brindisi.